Hello everyone, my name is Hiral Mittal and making this project for the assignment given by Skytree Lab for risk analysis. Now we will learn how to perform risk analysis for the residential building with respect to time and cost. Okay, so before starting to perform the risk analysis, we will import our final project residential building from Primavera software which we had created earlier. So open the Primavera software. To display the project window, click on the icon as shown. Find the copy of residential building project and open this. Now we have simply export it. Click on File, click on Export. Make sure it is select the export format Primavera PM and 7. Click on Next. Select the type of data to export project. Click on Next. Select, click on Next. Now save the file name as you want. And then click on Save. Click on Finish. Now it shows the export was successful. So click on Close. Now we will import this file into Primavera Risk Analysis software. To perform the risk analysis, open the Primavera Risk Analysis software. Select File menu. Click on Open. Now in this window, find the project file that we have exported from the Primavera software. Select it and then open. A notification will appear displaying Primavera XCR import options. In this case, day option is selected and 1 day equal to 8 hours, but we have performed the residential building. So project with 9 working hours per day. Enter the planning unit value as 9. Click on WVS organized by the project WS structure. This option will be used to display the WVS structure of the project and click on OK. Leave it as default and click on OK. The software automatically asks you to save the file. Save the file in the appropriate folder and name it as you like. Now you can see that the residential building project has been imported. The Primavera Gantt chart is similar to the one we have used in the Primavera software. Okay, to the left side of the Gantt chart, you can find the details like activity name, ID, duration. Start and finish dates. You can use the scroll bar to view them as shown. To the right side of the Gantt chart, you see related values like labor cost, non-labor cost. This side. The import code value are the same as in the Primavera software. Now click on Quick Risk. Icon. Select all tasks in the plan option, which means we are considering all the activities in our project to perform the risk analysis. And in risk formula details, distribution must be in triangular form. Minimum duration percentage is 85, likely duration is 100%, and maximum duration is of 125. Make sure this is our assumed values. If you want to change it according to you, you can change. Click on OK. In the right side window, you can see the duration values. The software automatically calculates the durations based on the percentage values you entered. Okay, for example, in the case of excavation activity, you can see that the actual duration is 3 and the maximum is 4. Now we will perform the risk analysis for costing. Click on the Run Risk Analyze icon. In this window, unmark the steps, show step through analyze option, and make sure it is distribution graph and click on analyze. The distribution graph will be displayed as shown. To the right side of the graph, you can find minimum, maximum, and mean duration required to complete the project will be available. In the highlighters column, you can see the determination value as 32%, which means that there is a chance of 32% to complete the project by 3 September around. The distribution graph shows duration required to complete the project considering risk. In this case, the maximum duration is 14th September. Click on the resource option as shown. To the right side of the graph, you can find the minimum, maximum, and mean cost required to complete the project here. And you can see the deterministic value as 33%. So which means that there is a chance of 33% to complete the project within the total budgeted. Their costs are mentioned considering risk and uncertainties. The distribution graph also provides the maximum budget required to complete the project, considering risk and uncertainty too. In this case, maximum budget cost is this. You can find the various range in which the cost is distributed according to the graph. In the left side of the graph, you can find the details of the assigned resources of the project. Click on the each resource to find the detailed cost value and individual resources. Like this. Date and total budgeted cost of your project by considering all the risks involved in this project. So we successfully performed the risk analysis. Thank you.